Hello again. Nice to see you, and I hope the summer has been good to you. It is now, what's the date today? Monday the 17th of August, and coming up on Saturday the 22nd of August is, if you're a Ricardian, you'll already know, the date of the Battle of Bosworth. Now, my window clings for Richard III have been flying off the shelf, so if you do want something to celebrate the date of the battle, then do get in touch, get onto the website. I'll put the links in the description below and in the newsletter. Be quick though, I have already run out of Richard III mugs. I don't have any more. I have got one or two coasters left if anyone wants a coaster, but that is the big celebratory date coming up, because there's not really very much going on in August, so this is not going to take very long this month. Not much has been happening, I'm afraid. It's one of those months, I've looked it up, where, there's not much to celebrate really. Apparently this is the month of the year when weeds grow fastest, and my garden is testament to that. It looks horrendous. Lee has just been given a new weed burner thing, a long thing on a stick which spouts fire, which he's been very excited by. And the patio is beautifully clear of weeds. That has worked brilliantly, but alas, he's not seen fit to go through the rest of the garden yet. Now then, let me see. Yes, it's rain, isn't it? We down in Surrey in England have had 2 weeks in August of record-breaking temperatures. It's been 35, 36 degrees every day. So dry, so uncomfortable, no sleep. It's really been horrible. I hope it's been better for you in your part of the country or in the country you're in. However, last week the weather broke, and on Thursday the rain pelted down, absolutely torrential, and we managed to film it, so here you are. And, well, as you can see, it was a slight nightmare for only a short time, and we haven't had any since. The weather today, though, is looking a bit icky, and it is, well, the forecaster said it's been due to rain for the last 2 days, but it does look today as if it might go for it. And rain brings us on to snow, although that might seem a bit early, but I have already sent out 3 orders for Christmas presents. I hate to mention the C word this early, but there's not much else to mention really. And I won't press it, but 13.8% of people have already started shopping for Christmas, and I know I've had 3 of them. So if you are an early bird, do come along and have a look. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the newsletter this month. Nothing much to report, I'm afraid. I'll see you again in September. But here is Badger just to say hello. He is well, but in slight disgrace because he's not eating his food at the moment. We get expensive food for him to try, and he eats half and then leaves it. Don't quite know what's wrong with him. I guess it's the heat. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.